Welcome to 11701 Mercer Hill in River Falls. This house was just reduced and it's priced very well at $755. This house has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 3 finished levels, and wait till you see this master suite. It's over 25 feet long with 2 enormous walk-in closets. One of the prettiest parts of the house also is the 2-level deck with Brazilian Ipe hardwoods and an observation deck along with a screened-in porch. Let's take a look inside. What are my favorite things about this house? Well, we're on the second deck right now, and this deck is made of Brazilian Ipe. What's nice though, on one side of the house is a par 3, and behind us is a par 5 hole for Old Hickory Golf Course. If you've had a long day, you've got a screened-in porch or a 2-tiered deck to come and have dinner, have a cocktail, and maybe sneak out and play a few extra holes on your own. If you'd like more information about the community, hit this link to see the other great spots of River Falls. And if you'd like some real estate topics, please subscribe or send me some topics you'd be interested in hearing about.